What is a yield farm and how is it paying 84% on wrapped Bitcoin? Yield farming is when you provide liquidity to an exchange for the purpose of lending and trading. So in English, what that means is that you lend out your cryptocurrency to a decentralized exchange. In this case, we'll call it Bob's decentralized exchange. And Bob here has his own coin called Bobcoin. And Bob is promising to pay you his Bobcoin at a rate of 84% every year. And all you got to do is give him your precious Bitcoin. This is pretty much how a yield farm works. You lend out your cryptocurrency, you help that exchange get some liquidity on the books, and in return, they will pay you in their token. The question is their token going to be valuable? In this example that we're looking at, you can deposit wrapped Bitcoin and earn the exchange's token at a rate of 84%, and their token is called PEG. And today, 726 PEG is worth 34 cents.